Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in these settings. So open up the settings app. Now go to Wi-Fi and here, click on the switch right up top here. So now our Wi-Fi is turned off. We want to turn it on now. That's a quick little restart. Now we wait for our networks to show up, and the next step is, if you still have your Wi-Fi not fixed, you want to go over and click on this arrow right here on the network that you're using, scroll down and forget it. Now this way we will reconnect to the same network, enter the password, and after we do that we just click connect, and as you guys can see, we're back in. Now what you guys want to do next is restart your router and a phone. So you can just tap a bunch of switches on your router, so you can tap the switch off and on and it should be good. Now for the phone though, you need to click on the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now slide down to reboot, and now the phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys once the reboot is done. Now after your router and the phone restart, what you guys want to do is check for your software updates. So this is the last resort. Let's go over to the settings and now go to about phone right up top here. Click on HyperOS and you can check your software updates like that. I have no updates available, but if you do see a button that says download and install right here, make sure to click it and make sure to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.